Richard had too much pain in his legs to even function properly.
Always had a lot of pain, and didn't want to take any ibuprofen pain down my legs, sciatica down my leg, because sciatica down my leg was constant, 24/7. It didn't matter if I was going to sleep or not, it was hurting. So it was really hard to sleep at night, or anytime.
With Achieve Integrative Health, anything is achievable in helping you restore your organs' function so you can do the things you love to do. Richard has now finally found his relief.
And so they relieved the pain from the sciatic nerve area all the way down to my feet. And then this leg was relieved, then this pain was relieved.
Spring into restorative happiness. Visit AchieveIntegrativeHealth.com today.